Hello friends, back with another video. This time it is an accessory for my Suzuki vstrom 250SX. I have almost accessorized everything possible to my Suzuki vstrom 250, and I didn't have anything in my mind for getting anything extra. But when I was searching for Suzuki 250 accessories just like that, I found that Lluvia Industries, which is Lluvia Turismo, which operates from Coimbatore, a big accessory manufacturer in India, they had actually have a new product for the vstrom 250SX, which is the ladies footrest. The ladies footrest, the Lluvia ladies footrest for the left side and the Lluvia ladies footrest for the right side. In the website you have an option to choose a single product like the left footrest or the right footrest. I was thinking if I have a footrest for this vehicle, then it would be easier for my wife to actually jump in on a sideways position, and for my daughter also sometimes it helps to actually put her leg in if there are like three people riding in the bike. So I got this pretty expensive though. One cost around 980 after an offer, because it was costing 1000 for one. Now they have an offer for something like a 34 rupees. So the two of these like 1800, and the shipping is free, and it was fast. The production was fast. Everything done within 2 days of placing the order, and they've got all things provided. They've got the screws and the washers provided extra, and I got like the hinges as well to fit in. And this is the Lluvia sticker which they gave me. Pretty much happy with the product. Now I'm going to fit it. I'm going to take the video of the fitment, and then the final product I will just show you in the remaining part of the video. Go ahead and watch the video.
The mechanic is fitting the right one first, and then he will fit the second footrest on the left. So the first one is the right one above the silencer. He's taken out all the screws and everything. This is in a proper Suzuki dealership, Manikyam Motors in Pondicherry, Kalapet area of Pondicherry, which is in the outskirts of the city. The guy seems to be very knowledgeable, and he's using the right tools and taking the right care required so that he doesn't scratch and do the job in a perfect manner. And I'm very impressed with the guy's guile and care about his work. So please see how this has been fitted. I can't have a very close range because there is darkness inside. The light is not falling to the camera, and so this is the only clarity which I can make in this scenario. He's looking at different options, because for an accessory to be fitted first, a good mechanic will have to look at the different options and how it is going to fit in, what are the changes required, what is the leverage which is required, the screws, the fitment. You'll have to actually mock a fitting first, and then you'll have to see. So he's doing all that right, and he's doing it in a very steady fashion. I think he's slowly had an idea about how to do it, and he's actually unscrewing the screw which was there and trying to use the screws which Lluvia gave for this fitment, because the first screw which was there was the screw of the saddle stay, which I got from Bandidos Pit Stop, because the first footrest, the Suzuki's footrest screw was changed, because for the saddle stay to be fitted, the screw would have to be changed and the footrest wouldn't come back. So the Suzuki original one was changed to Bandidos one for the saddle stay, and now for the Lluvia footrest to be fitted, a bit more longer screw has to be put in for the leverage, And for that, the bandit screw has been taken off, and the Lluvia screw, which is a little bit longer, is actually fitted. Finished fitting the Lluvia footrest both sides and just reach home. This is the Lluvia footrest for Suzuki vstrom 250 Lluvia Turismo from Coimbatore. Pretty good, not very big in consideration looking at the space for the leg, but still a better add-on for women sitting. And if you've got a child, which is not allowed in Kerala, 3 people can't sit inside Kerala, but if you're outside Kerala, if you are having a child, then the child can use this footrest, and your wife can use this one. Pretty good. And on the right side, this really helps, since you can see just above, there is enough space as well just above the silencer and the guard. So if you're using bags, and I got this for the saddlebags anyway, saddle stays for the saddlebags anyway, but still, this is more useful because your bags are not going to touch the silencer at all because of this. So that's a very good add-on. And yeah, there is enough space. Not very wide though. It is aerodynamically made. Lluvia has made it with very good quality. It is expensive, $950 for one. You can buy either right, either left, or both together. Left or right alone will cost you something around $954, and it was an offer, maybe 1,000 after offer it's finished. And both of them, it cost me something like $1,854. Shipping was free. It was fast and quick. Lluvia only does the production after the order is made. So after you make the payment, they produce, so they go for the production, and then they will send it. It takes hardly a day for production for this product, and the quality has really been good. I'm very satisfied. So this is one more add-on to my Suzuki vstrom 250. Hope the viewers and people who are having Suzuki vstrom 250, yeah, I'll leave the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.